Host. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an important piece of legislation that impacts financial institutions and borrowers alike. The Financial Institutions Recovery of Finance Ordinance, 2001. Let's break down its key features and what it means for you. Features of Financial Institutions Recovery of Finance Ordinance, 2001. Host. First up, let's talk about the scope of this law. The ordinance covers the recovery of all kinds of loans and finances, whether they're interest-based or markup-based. This includes lease financing, credit cards, letters of credit, long-term and short-term finance certificates, and more. Essentially, all types of consumer and investment financing fall under this law. Now, it's important to note that this is a special law, which means it takes precedence over general laws on any specific points it addresses. This principle ensures that the provisions of this ordinance are applied first in relevant cases. Transition to visuals, courtroom setting. Host. Next, let's discuss the establishment of banking courts. These courts have specific pecuniary jurisdiction. For cases involving amounts up to 5 crores, the banking courts at divisional headquarters handle them. However, if the amount exceeds 5 crores, a judge from the High Court of the respective province, directed by the Chief Justice, will act as a banking court in their original capacity. Cut to visuals, judge in a courtroom. Host. An interesting aspect of this ordinance is that it allows both financial institutions and customers to file suits. Financial institutions can file suits against borrowers for recovery, while borrowers can also file suits against financial institutions for any breach of terms and conditions in their agreements. Transition to visuals. Legal documents and agreements. Host. Under Section 7 of the ordinance, banking courts have all the powers of a civil court, similar to a district judge or court under the Civil Procedure Code. Additionally, they possess the powers of a criminal court, akin to a sessions court. This dual authority ensures comprehensive handling of cases. Cut to visuals, court proceedings. Host. In summary, the Financial Institutions Recovery of Finance Ordinance, 2001, is a robust legal framework designed to streamline the recovery process for various types of financing. It establishes specialized banking courts with significant powers to ensure fair and efficient resolution of disputes. Closing scene. Host. Wrapping up. Host. That's a wrap on today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.